Zimbabweans. You are speaking to Nyatsimbamutota. I was down with acute illness in terms of my stomach. I believe I was poisoned by the regime. I had, as I was ill and failing to speak, people trying to argue with Kulian to say, no, he is lying that Nyatsimbamutota is ill. It is true that I was ill and I was in hospital for a long time. And I only came up to my feet 3 days ago, I think thereabout. Then I was released from hospital. So what I want to say to Zimbabweans, especially to the generals and those who are in activism in terms of opposing the regime, this is the message I want to give you. It's a short message today. I'm not going to say a lot, but it's helpful to all of us. This stomach of mine started soon after I presented and appeared at the Supreme Court with Professor Love Momadiku. Therefore, what I think and suspect happened, I don't know for sure, but I suspect that I was tracked until people saw where I stayed. They saw where I could buy my drinks, because sometimes we buy from tuck shops somewhere around. So these people, most of these tuck shops belong to the people who support the regime. So I suspect that there can be some drinks that are there hidden, and only to be bought by yourself and marked that it will be taken by Nyatsimbamutota. So what do I say? What message do I have to the people of Zimbabwe, the generals, and those who are actively opposing the regime? Don't drink anything that comes from unscrupulous tuck shops. Don't buy from there. You rather go buy from a fully fledged supermarket, not from a tuck shop, because these days they can actually inject some chemical there which can actually disturb your stomach, and I almost died, to be honest with you, and I suspect the hand of the regime. This is my honest truth. I was ill and I'm very happy. I saw a lot of people who were sympathizing with me. I counted 11,000 people were saying sorry. Some liking the conversation which was uploaded by Kulian TV. Kulian is not a liar. I have now come to realize that this man is an honest man who is more professional in the production of news, because what he reported is what he was told by one of my by my wife. So I am very thankful to Zimbabwe. This is just a warning that we must never ever buy from unscrupulous tuck shops. Let's buy from supermarkets and stock our food in the house. Don't leave your windows open, because they may come and see a window open. They peep through the window and put their hand there with poison and put it in some of the food that you might have left in the kitchen. Let us be careful, because the regime is not merciful on people who oppose it. It's full of blood. This is what I can say to Zimbabwe. I thank you, Zimbabwe. I thank you for your support. I am the gaze of the moment, and I'm not going to let go. I'm going to fight, not fight illegal. I'm going to fight legal.